The book of Galatians. What is it and why does it matter to us today? Galatians is a short book in the Bible's New Testament. It's actually a letter that the Apostle Paul wrote 2,000 years ago to the churches that he had planted in the region of Galatia. This was the situation. Paul had started the churches himself. He had gone into Galatia on his first missionary journey, and he told the people there about Jesus. It was just the basics, that Jesus was God, that he came to the earth, that he died on the cross, and that he rose again from the dead. And he did all of this to gather a new people to himself, a people set free from their sins and now made acceptable to God. And see, Paul told the Galatians that there was only one way to join this new church, this new movement, and it's by trusting Jesus for salvation. Now that was a radical message, and it still is today, because religion has always been about what people can do to get to God. But Paul was teaching that Christianity is what God did to get to people. And that's why this book still matters to us today. The message of Galatians is relevant to every generation, because the way to God hasn't changed. We start by trusting Jesus, period. End of debate. That's what Paul so passionately wanted to explain in his letter to the Galatians. Now you can use our online resources to learn more about Galatians with your family, small group, or mentor.